Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from superezforex, and as you can see, I'm out here literally within a foot or two from this gigantic lake out here in Lake Tahoe. And so, okay. And so the bottom line is that I want you guys to remember that when you're trading, remember who you're doing it for. Because some of you guys, you're on these charts all the time, and it's become a game, which is okay for it to become a game. But at the same time, you're forgetting who you're doing it for. And you're forgetting to spend time with the people who you're doing it for. So this is just a reminder to get away from the charts, spend some time with the people you love, and then when you are on the charts, remain focused and remember why you're doing it. Okay? This is not for you to just have a good gambling time on the charts, but this is for you to have a good time with your family and to be able to provide for them so that you can spend more time with them and y'all can have a good time. All right? Enjoy your weekend. Uncle P out.